Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is February 17th when I'm recording this, and we're getting this out before and ahead of President's Day. So remember, we have this Monday coming up off as far as the market. And remember, you can get a $7 30-day trial to the Moxie Indicator Mastery, which is the Moxie trading room. And I also have a market update March 1st. So if you guys want to put that in your calendar, we'll be sending out some reminders too, but we have a market update, bull bear market update coming up March 1st. So make sure you guys are ready for that. All right, so what we're looking at in the market right now is we're getting a pullback, and this has been the pullback I've been looking for. In fact, we've been talking about it quite a bit in the Moxie room, and mostly because you could see right in through here we had price up over the hourly 50, and notice the Moxie indicator was pretty much down at and then below zero. It took a little bit of time to really get figured out. There was a fair amount of chop in through here, and it wasn't super clear where it was going to go. But basically, by Thursday afternoon, I could kind of see some stuff. I was like, I think we need to take some chips off the table, and so we did. And we could also see that across the board, that even the SOXX, we were seeing a lot of things that had negative divergence. Like right here on the hourly chart, you could see that there's the Moxie price trigger to the downside, and so all of this over the hourly 50 was an inverse trampoline move. And then you could see Thursday right there was where price got rejected by the underside of the 15-minute 50. So I think that there's going to be a little bit more downside in here. I'm kind of wondering if we can get closer to the daily 50. Maybe the SPY can do something like that, get closer to the daily 50. And here are some examples. Let me show you this on the SOXX. The other reason I'm looking at this is because there is a gap here between price and the weekly 8 EMA. So we are seeing that things are fairly overbought right now, and they could use a little bit of a pullback. Now, if we look at FXI and we look at KWeb, I want to show you that you can see that in other markets, they had the same thing here where there was a really big move, and they even reached the weekly 3rd ATR. But they did get off of the 8 EMA, and look what they're doing. They are pulling back to what might be support. We can't say yet because it's still pulling back, so we don't know where the bottom of this is going to be. But it is pulling back on the weekly chart, and you can see here too, it's pulling back on the daily chart. It's actually pulling back all the way to the daily 50 and then below some. So that's why, with the SPY, we're looking at this and saying that, we could see a little bit more downside right here on the weekly chart. We could see a little bit more downside here on the daily chart if the SPY is going to be following these emerging markets or other things like that. So kind of keep that in mind. We'll see where that goes. The UVXY was also giving us some clues as far as that UVXY was building strength. And really now the name of the game is just waiting and watching and seeing where this pullback goes and if it is into strength or if it is into weakness. And we're just going to have to give it some time to see what that does. So thanks again, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.